So I'm Niels Peeks, I'm Professor of Health Informatics at the University of Manchester and I lead the Informatics and Data Science theme within the BRC. So informatics and data science is a cross-cutting theme and we work with all the clinical themes in the BRC and help them in basically three key areas. So the first is getting access to routinely collected data within the NHS and make that data available for research. The second one is using apps, smartphone apps, to capture data outside the NHS, for instance about symptom burden, and those apps would, for instance, ask patients on a daily basis, how do you feel today? Did you sleep well? Do you have any symptoms? And the third work stream is around using advanced analytical techniques like machine learning to make better use of the data and, for instance, to identify specific subgroups that we can then use in a personalised medicine approach. Data can save lives because data enable doctors to make better decisions. So, for instance, if you're allergic to, say, penicillin, and your doctor knows that, then they will not prescribe penicillin to you. That would probably save your life. Now, more generally, we know that each individual is slightly different and we're becoming more and more aware of that. If we have more information about you as a patient, there's more opportunities to give you exactly the treatment that you need. And that's what we now call personalised medicine, and that's a very important pillar of the Manchester BRC. Manchester is so well placed to do this research and to integrate health research with health services to a point where they're not separate activities, but go hand in hand. And that's possible because we're collecting all these data as a byproduct of providing care services. Hopefully in the future we're going to have that learning health system that is driven by data and digital innovation, which is able to adapt to the needs of the population much quicker than the current health service.